Alright, so I'm back because I found a pretty big one that you guys might like. Wow. Holy Toledo. Look at that beauty. And this is just on the side of my road. Just on the side of the road. Look at that beauty.
Mom, tell me what pretty.
Wow.
Pretty one. Mama, I found one. Mama, I found one. Mama,
Bring it here. What'd you find?
it's
I'll add it to the bucket.
Mom, it's a big one.
Alright, let's go see what she found. Ooh. Yeah, that is a big one. That's cool.
Mom, next time Daddy can pick it up. Okay?
Some crinoids. We find these all over too. Oh, that's a good one. Nice specimen there. Alright. What else can we find? I'm still amazed with this one. It's a beauty. It's got some honeycomb in it.
Mom, look.
If you think you know what it is and want to identify it for me, please share. Ooh, we got a pile of sand and conglomerates.
Mom, I'm going to stick it in the door.
Okay.
There, right there.
All right. It's a pretty nice piece, a pretty red one.
Mom,
Yes, baby.
look at me. Mom, look at me. Okay, is this our garden?
Yep. It's gonna be
A garden?
wash that one off. It looks like it has something on it. Oh, and I see another one.
Did you hear this? Mom, I hear something up ahead.
You
Okay.
hear that plane up there?
I don't see it, but I only hear it. It's a jet plane, Mom.
Give you guys a minute to look and see if you spot anything that I don't see. Alright.
Mom, look.
One of the best places that I've ever found rocks was when I used to farm for a local company, doing Christmas trees, pumpkins, zucchini.
Mom,
Ooh, is that a mud pie?
yeah.
Yeah.
I could make one.
And in the Christmas tree fields, I found some of the best rocks I've ever found in my life. We had to cut the trees down, rip the roots out and everything, and then till the field. And there were so many amazing pieces. Maybe later on, since I just started my channel, I can go through and find some of those and show you guys. But I live in Michigan, in West Michigan. We are in an area that a glacier went through millions of years ago. And yeah, that's why we get so many awesome rocks out here. I mean, to find a Petoskey stone on the side of the road after a rainstorm is pretty amazing. Look at this beautiful one. Ooh, yeah. There's another mud pie.
Mom, I'm going to make a flood pie.
This one's got some pretty orange in it. I think I'll keep that one. Recently, I have been trying to stick more towards fossils. I have so many rocks. I have rocks in buckets in my basement. I have rocks surrounding my house and my plants. They're everywhere. So, that almost looks like something right there.
Mom, look it.
Is that a mud meatball? Yep, that is a fossil right there.
I'm going to fold it.
Okay.
Mom, I float it like a baseball. Mom, wait, look at me.
Ooh, that's pretty.
So let me walk.
Is that sandstone or limestone?
It's a sandstone.
Sandstone?
Yep. It's a sandstone.
I don't know if you guys can hear it, but you probably can't. I can hear partridges off in the distance. They sound similar to like a helicopter starting off and taking off, like a woo, 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 woo. They are in this area somewhere. I'm surprised my dog hasn't sniffed them out yet. Although she might be, because I don't see her by me. But, yeah.
Okay.
There, that's better. Yep, pretty. You see that old bee's nest hanging in the tree up there? But yeah, partridges, rocks, beautiful day. It's nice and warm. Finally some warm weather. Mushrooms are going to start popping. I'm actually going mushroom hunting tomorrow with a friend after this rain and this warm weather. Prime. Just a second, I found another one, I think. Nope. Meow, meow. Let's keep looking.
Oh, come on.
And Mama don't have her rain boots on, Liv.
I do.
I know you do. You can walk over there. So I just started my YouTube channel. Oh, hold up. That's pretty cool.
Meow, meow, meow.
Anyway, I just started my YouTube channel. I'm an avid outdoors person, and I recently went back to school to be a teacher. I would like to open up my own outdoor program to teach kids about foraging, animal processing, shelter building, fire starting, all that stuff. I feel like there's a disconnect in society, and I would like to bridge the gap between that and serve my local community. I live in a very small, poverty-stricken area. There's one school, we got one store, one stop sign, and there's not many choices around here, and people really are looking for alternative education ways because not everybody fits in the same box. I have a child who's ADHD, and he's my oldest son. He's 17, and he would have benefited severely from having a program that offered like hands-on outdoor stuff, you know, instead of just sitting him in a classroom telling him to read out of this book. He can't sit still. He doesn't learn that way. But you give him a dirt bike to take apart and put together, he can do that just like that. But having him do math equations on paper, it don't work. So my goal is to open a program that teach children alternative ways of learning. And hopefully, eventually, I would be able to travel with that and bring it to campgrounds or other areas so we can spread our wings a little bit and try to reach as many people as we can. Okay, well, I'm coming. And I would like to do it at a low to very minimal cost to people. I don't feel like it should cost somebody $1,000 to send their kid, to an outdoor school for a month. That's just ridiculous in my book. But we're currently looking for property to buy so we can do this, and we found a piece, but it's landlocked. And in Michigan, no property is legally landlocked, but we've gone to the neighbors. Nobody wants to grant access, so it's a process with courts, and I don't have money for that. I'm not rich. I'm just an average person just trying to make a living, and me and my husband, we do all right, you know, we get by, but it's hard, especially around here. When COVID hit, people flocked to this area and property rates shot up like 500%. Houses that used to be $50,000 with some property are now like $500,000, and it absolutely blows my mind. We also have quite a few marijuana grows around here. So a lot of people that own property around here, like I said, are poor, and they're trying to bank on that and bank on this big company coming in and spending all this money and buying up their property. Yes, babe?
I'm stepping up on the bonfire I made. It's gonna wash your boots off.
Okay.
Come on.
Let's go. But we need people that are going to invest into the area and into the community, and I'm 100% pro marijuana, but the property value that it has caused is ridiculous. Step in this? All right.
Now, that one?
Now this one?
There.
There.
Now,
All right.
now let's go back home.
All right. Where should we look some more?
Mom, let's keep hunting back this way.
All right. We'll keep hunting this way. Stay over here, babe.
Why?
Because if a car comes over the hill, you need to be on the side of the road, honey. I've been out here for about probably 2 hours, and there hasn't been a single car. So that's one of the many pleasures of living in the country.
Mom, let's keep hunting.
I'm hunting, but it does take, like, the largest city like we have close to us is Grand Rapids, and that has like all the eclectic type of things that we like. We like to go to concerts and ooh, look at that.
Mom, let's bring that.
What is that?
Mom, it's a flower.
It reminds me of mugwort. We like to go to concerts and music festivals and stuff like that.
I found another one.
But I guess an hour drive isn't bad compared to some other people. Oh, wait.
Look at
What'd you find? Ooh,
fossil.
a fossil. We should have brought our gold pan out here
Why?
because we could pan for some gold. Alrighty. Should we go back down by the house on this side?
But
And look, not yet. Oh, here's another fossil.
Mom, hurry up. It's gonna be a car coming. Mom, look at a big pile. Mom, look at it's a big pile.
Yep. Sorry, I'm trying to get this into focus here, but my camera's not working right. You ever hear a rock hunter's back? It's because we got our face down, ass up, and our back hurts. You're in a pure squat position. When you can't handle the face down, butt up anymore. And then you get the knees. Alright, well, I think this is where I'm going to end this video and
Mom,
go wash some of these and see what all else we can find.
Mom.
Have a good day.